Welcome. We will show how to connect Google Analytics and automate data updates with refresh scheduling. Once logged in, navigate to the Connections page and select Add New. Select the appropriate connection and click Next to proceed. Click Connect and log in with your Gmail account. The connection will be established immediately. Continue with Next and then click Save to finalize the connection. Navigate to the Collections tab. Click on Add New. Select the connection and proceed. Next. Select the object and continue. Next. Now you can define or adjust parameters as required for your setup. You'll see a list of dimensions from which you can choose as required. Likewise, you can select the relevant metrics from the available drop-down list. Click Refresh Preview to view the data based on your selections. After configuring everything, click Save to add the collection. To set up automatic data refresh, click the ellipsis icon and select Refresh Schedule. Before setting up a refresh schedule, make sure your Google Sheets connection is established. Navigate back to the collection screen, then click Refresh Schedule. Provide the Google Sheet URL where you want the data to update. Click on Check Connection to verify access to the Google Sheet. Enter the exact name of the Sheet tab. Select the preferred sync method. Enable email notifications to get notified about sheet updates. Next, set the schedule timing according to how often you'd like the updates to occur. Clicking Save will enable the scheduled updates. Now, the data will update in the sheet based on the schedule and sync method you've selected. It's that simple to connect and keep your data refreshed. Thank you for watching.